Hi everyone, LetterBalls here, and today we are going to start an exciting project in which we'll move a sprite around the screen with arrow keys. For starters, let's delete this sprite over here and choose a new sprite. So let's see, we can choose Gobo. So first we'll have to put Gobo in the center. So I'll put 0, which defaultly puts him in the center. Good. So now I want to choose a backdrop. So we want to see something like this, which is quite good. I don't know if I could choose moon or neon tunnel. Okay, I'll just go with neon tunnel. I'll place Gobo here, and in looks I'll change his size by -20. Good, that's small enough. So I'll put a when green flag clicked and set his position to go to x2 y1 so that each time he goes he'll be here. Now we need something for him to collect, or in this case eat. Apple is just perfect. I don't know, the apple is almost bigger than Gobo. So in looks I wonder if, yeah, it's still there. I'll change size. Good, that's perfect. So now we want apple to be in a random position every time we click the green flag. So when green flag clicked, go to random position. Perfect. Now we want to know and count the score, or in this case apples eaten. So we are going to go to variables. This is a new topic, but you can just choose a variable you want and set it to count something, or in this case how many times the apple is eaten. Make a variable. Let's keep less apples. You know what, I think I like score better. Okay, now as you can see there's a score, but when clicked you should set score to 0, and then if Gobo, if touching apple, now where is that? Yes, here it is. If touching apple, then we wanted to play a sound. I don't think that's, you know, I like this somewhat.
Hey. Yeah.
Perfect. I hope that you enjoyed that wacky sounds and all. But now we have got to change the code. Play sound coin until done. So we drag over. I don't know. Why isn't it working? I think we'll settle that later. First we need to make Gobo move around the screen. So I'll just do this 4 times. As you can see, there's a when key pressed. You can set this key to any key you want, in this case up, down, right, left. And when up arrow key is pressed, we want it to move up. So we'll change Y by 10. But you can't go down because I haven't set the down arrow key yet. No problem. Down, change X by minus 10. And this, when left arrow is pressed, change X by minus 10. And when right arrow key pressed, you know what, I'll think it'll clean up all the blocks. Perfect. Nice and clean now. So when right arrow key pressed, change X by 10. I'm gonna, you know what, I'll set all the movement blocks over here. And now I'll clean it up. Again it goes like that, never mind. So apparently for down arrow I've done the wrong thing. Change Y by minus 10. As you can see, we have seen it because each time you can see blinks once and then goes off again, because as you can see just touch it and then the sign blink. But as you can see, we needed a forever loop. Good. Now we just need to make the apple move into a random place after this, and then make a score count. So the score part is easy. When variables, change score to 1. I'll put this on top, and then when we played, but as you can see, the apple is not moving to another place, so the game isn't really fun. So we need to send a message. Messages are basically ways of interacting between sprites, so that when a message is sent, when another sprite receives it, they know what to do. I'm gonna make a new message called touching apple. Lovely. So after this, I need to broadcast touching apple. After that, when I receive touching apple, let's say go to random position. Now the game should be done. Let's see. Perfect. Now let's make the background somewhat more attractive if we can. We'll select the backdrops. I'll delete this, and then you can see backdrops in code. When green flag clicked, forever. We'll see if there are any effects. Change color effect by 10. Oh wow, I think it's a little too fast. It looks really nice now. Perfect. Let's just play the game one last time, and this time let's set it to full screen. I'm gonna stop it and set the game again. Oh, and also one more thing, I forgot to do this. When green flag clicked, clear graphic effects. I don't know why I should have forgotten that. Now I'm just gonna get all sorts of apples. I'm just gonna get a score of 10 and then call it a day. I hope that you like this video, and if you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell button so that you will be notified of our new videos.